Okay, so here is how your Commission Junction affiliate dashboard will look like once your account is approved. Okay, so in your dashboard you can see a snapshot of all the new advertisers joining, and I'm sure you can recognize a lot of the brands here. So as I said, it's a very premium affiliate network. It costs a lot for the sellers or for the merchants to actually get into Commission Junction, and they only deal with the best of the best. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get links and find products in Commission Junction. So you can just go to advertisers. So what you see here is a list of all advertisers in Commission Junction, and you see this little green bar here, okay, and this is called network earnings. This is an indication of how profitable it can be to promote some of the advertisers here. Now, Commission Junction doesn't actually publish what is their formula to display the network earnings, but this screen here is pretty much not meaningful at all, because this is a list of all advertisers. But when you go into the individual categories, for example, if you take web hosting as a category, then the network earnings really come into play, and you can really see within that category which are the merchants or which are the companies who are actually performing very well in terms of affiliate marketing, which is what is shown here under network earnings. Then you also have stuff like 3 months EPC. So what does 3 months EPC means? It means a 3 months earning per click. Although it says earning per click, but I think Commission Junction, for them, a click is actually 1,000 click. Now this is a carryover from EPM, earnings per impression, which also means earnings per 1,000 impression. Those are some of the traditional terms and metrics used by advertising agencies, EPM, and so EPC also kind of follows that. So the thing with EPC is that although it says 21.66 pounds per EPC, it is not a pay-per-click program. So if you promote UK Host Limited, it doesn't mean that when someone click on your affiliate link one time, you're going to get 26.66 pounds. It means on average, okay, out of every 1,000 clicks that affiliates send, the earnings per 1,000 clicks is 21.66, and not by clicks also. I'm sorry, it's only this is calculated by actual sales made. Okay, so the EPC is an indication of how much sales are made per 1,000 clicks. Think of it that way. So you have your 3 months EPC and your 7-day EPC. Now, what is the difference between this? A 3-month EPC is a more reliable data that shows you the performance of the advertiser over a long period of time, which is 3 months. And the 7-day EPC is the most recent earnings per click. So for advertisers who are established, entrenched in Commission Junction, have been there a long time, the 3-month EPC and the 7-day EPC should be pretty much similar, like the one that you see here. But you may also realize for some other advertisers like the one here, the 3-month EPC is 2.67 euros, whereas the 7-day EPC is 18.5 euros. So recently, very recently, they have started to become very profitable as compared to, for a 3 months period before. There could be many reasons for this. It could be a promotion by prime slots, okay, and some of the affiliates could have gone a bit more aggressive to promote prime slots during the promotion time. It could be a temporary increase in commission. A lot of advertisers in Commission Junction, they do this. So when they're running a promotion, instead of paying you 5% as they normally would, they would temporarily bump that up to 8%, 10%, just to get more affiliates to take action and promote during that promotion time. Now, if you see 3 months EPC is absent or zero, it doesn't mean that the advertiser is not making any sales or not profitable, especially if there is a 7-day EPC. Sometimes when an advertiser is new, you only see the 7-day EPC, you don't see the 3-month EPC. But that's okay, as long as the 7-day EPC is good, then you don't have to worry about the 3-month EPC. Now, if both the 3-month earnings per click and the 7-day earnings per click is low, then there could be a problem with that advertiser. Not really a problem with their products or their company, but more on how they want to do affiliate marketing. Chances are they pay very little commissions, or their products are not converting very well, or even in some cases, they're not really tracking their affiliate sales as they should. So stay away from advertisers with very, very low EPC, especially when within the same category there are lots of other advertisers with high EPC. So now you can also go by category here. Okay, so you can click on category. You can click on serviceable area, and this is very good to find offers related only to specific country, by language, advertisers country, geographic source, currency, etc. So let me go by category and let me select something a bit more interesting. So let me select games and toys. I'm going to click on games and toys. And under games and toys, you have subcategories, electronic games, electronic toys. I'm going to uncheck all the electronic ones and just go for games, even games. I'm just going to go for toys, okay? And then I'm going to click on search again. You can also enter a keyword here if you know what you're looking for. So now under this category, okay, I can see the network earnings here, okay? So you cannot compare this advertiser's network earnings with this another advertiser from a different category, because different categories of products, they perform differently in terms of online sales. So you have to compare within the category only. So now that you can see, you have Disney store, you have Hobbytron, you even have a Marvel store here. Now don't be tempted to promote stuff that you know and feel for. For example, if you are Iron Man fan, you may say like, oh, Marvel store, now that's what I want to promote. At the end of the day, the stats don't lie, okay? So there are other advertisers with better network earnings. You may want to consider actually looking at them first and look at what they have, instead of just promoting stuff that you have personal experience with. Okay, so now let's take one of the stores here, Disney store. Okay, so I can click on Disney store, and that will give me more details on the Disney store affiliate program. So Commission Junction, the network itself, is basically like a placeholder for thousands of different affiliate programs that are sort of in a way managed by the store owners themselves. In this case, Disney Store Toys, they would have their own account manager who is logging into Commission Junction, setting all this up and managing all the affiliates. Commission Junction is only the interface between you, the affiliate, to get commissions. Okay, so Commission Junction pays you the actual commissions, not Disney Store, but Disney Store will of course do some kind of prepaid arrangement with Commission Junction. So they will say, like, say at the beginning of the month, they will give Commission Junction like $2,000, and at the end of the month, Commission Junction will pay out all affiliate earnings from that $2,000, and then the following month, Disney Store will top up that balance again. Now, when an advertiser does not top up the balance, they get temporarily suspended. So you may get notifications of your advertiser being temporarily suspended. That's very normal, just because their account's balance have gone too low or even negative, but they usually top it up very fast and solve those issues. So you can see more information here about the Disney affiliate program, Disney Store. You can see your commission rate, okay? So let me explain here. You have a 3% commission rate, you have a 10-day referral cookie. How many days your cookies last, it really varies from each and every advertiser, because they can set this up themselves. They can set the commission rate, the number of days for the cookie as well. Okay, and conversion rate over 4%, this is just something that they put here to tell you that their site is very high converting. Product feed available. So a product feed is basically an XML file, or sometimes even an Excel file with a list of the entire inventory of products, and there's nothing much you can do with that XML file by itself. But if you have a software that can import the XML file, embed your Commission Junction affiliate ID automatically, and then create a listing or a widget on your site or on your blog, then with the product feed, you can actually sort of create your own Amazon-like widget. Next, they have affiliate newsletter, promotional coupon codes and shipping offers, dedicated affiliate manager, ship to 6 different countries. And now comes search policy. So a lot of the advertisers in Commission Junction are top tier Fortune 500 companies. They get very touchy about the search or the question of you bidding for keywords on Google AdWords that are their trademark. They're very sensitive to trademarks. Okay, so for example, Disney Store. Okay, if you are trying to promote them through Google AdWords. And it doesn't even have to be a direct promotion to their store. You could be buying keywords for Disney and selling it to your own landing page and getting the opt-in and then promoting the Disney store. But they will eventually find out, that you are their affiliate, and they would terminate you if you are using any of their proprietary Disney keywords for paid search programs. Okay, but it does mention here, however, you may use Disney keyword words in the optimization of your site title and utilize such words for search engine purposes. This is basically just in the site title and the URL, not the domain name. So if you want to create a dedicated website for Disney Store and you want to call it disneystore.tv or My Disney Store, that is also a violation of their trademark. And I've been through this before. I have actually created a website specific to only one vendor or one merchant in Commission Junction. I got pretty good rankings for it. I was not using their trademark. I was using a misspelled version. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. It was basically Alienware Computers. Okay, so I had a website at alienized.com, a very cool domain name, alienized.com. I was promoting Alienware Computers, which is now bought over by Dell. But the issue they had with me was that my website was black and so was theirs. I mean, that's all. My website looked nothing like them. Okay, perhaps the color scheme was the same, but I did not copy the exact layout. I just created my own website. I had some reviews there, and I was buying keywords, okay, misspelled versions of keywords for Alienware Computers, okay. And I thought, well, a misspelled word is not really their trademark, so I was safe to bid on it. But it turns out they found out eventually, and although I was making at least $300 to $500 in commissions for them, they terminated my account. Not terminated my Commission Junction account, but they basically rejected me from promoting them in Commission Junction. My Commission Junction account is still okay. So the advertisers have that kind of power. They can find out if you are promoting them according to exactly how they want you to. And if you're violating any of the trademarks, they can reject your application, and therefore you will not be able to promote them again. So the reason I'm telling you this is pay a lot of attention to the policy part here. All right, now let's go up here and click on program terms. So here's a summary, okay, of their acceptable websites, non-commissionable items, some things that you make a sale for, you don't get paid commission. Okay, in this case, the Disney Store affiliate program does not pay commissions on gift cards. So if someone purchases a gift card by clicking on your affiliate link, you don't get a commission. That's all quite common. Now I click on relationship history, no history, linked accounts, more info. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all the advertisers that I have already applied for, but basically you need to click on the join program here. Okay, once you have filled up your profile, updated your profile, then you can look at my advertisers. I'm going to click on my advertisers, click search. So these are the advertisers who have already approved me to promote their affiliate program. Okay, so let's take hostgator.com. Okay, and you can click on get links. And here you can see all the banners that they have. So Commission Junction is still pretty much more of a traditional kind of affiliate network. They depend a lot on banners and display ads and putting banners on established websites. But for any banner that they show you here, you can also just use the actual link. Okay, so let's take the top most one. Okay, and you would notice that every banner has its own EPC as well, which is good in Commission Junction. But I would like to warn you that these EPCs are not correct or not accurate, and I'll show you why. Okay, because let's say for this EPC here, or this banner here, you can see, wow, it has a 7-day EPC of 94 USD, which is much higher than the rest. So you can click on that and you can copy the banner and you can put it on your website, and that will be accurate if you're just using the banner exactly as it is, like this, and that will be accurate. But a lot of people do just click on just get code here. Okay, and you can see the actual HTML code. Okay, but I can click on click URL. Okay, and I can actually get just the URL. So this is your actual affiliate link, and you can use this. You don't have to actually use the banner. So when it says EPC here, it's not that the banner is highly converting. Okay, it's the actual link. Sometimes the link goes to a different landing page. Sometimes people just use the link because this is the first one that they see here. Now let's look at some of the options here. Okay, so you have to specify which website that you're using it for, and I would recommend that you select the website that is most relevant to this advertiser. Just in case you check, you can choose to encrypt the link, hide tracking code in link, set link to open in a new browser window, and then you have SID. So SID is basically a tracking ID, which is called sub ID. Commission Junction terms it as SID, ClickBank calls it TID, but it's basically some tracking that you can enter into your affiliate link. So if I want to promote HostGator from Facebook, for example, I'm going to enter Facebook in here, and then I'm going to click update code, and that will add $SID equals to Facebook. So this is a good way for you to track your different traffic sources, but it is very tedious to do in reality. If let's say you're promoting HostGator with Facebook ads, to create an SID for each and every ad can be a pain, can be a big pain, but there are software that helps you to automate the SID creations to make use of the tracking features that Commission Junction gives you. And I don't want to promote my product again, but it is still the best in the market. It's called Shorty, and if you have a WordPress blog, you can get it at shortywp.com, shortywp.com. So what Shorty does is it automatically, for each and every click that you cloak in Shorty, it will create a SID automatically. You just need to select Commission Junction as your affiliate network. It will create an SID automatically for every click of your affiliate link, and then you can log into Shorty, your Shorty dashboard on your WordPress, and get way more information than what Commission Junction will give to you. So this is your affiliate link, and okay, you can get a JavaScript as well, but the JavaScript is non-editable and it will display the banner exactly as it is, or you can click HTML to get HTML. But in most cases, if you want to create hypertext links, you will just use the default URL here. Now what happens when you click on encrypt link and click update code? So it gives you an encrypted link. This part here is encrypted. Okay, and how about hide tracking code in link? When you click on that, okay, it will hide even more, and you will notice that they are not using the Commission Junction domain name. They have lots of different domain names, and they tend to randomize or use different domain names for different kind of advertisers and products. Alright, so that is basically how to use Commission Junction, how to apply for advertisers, and how to get your affiliate link to start promoting those products on your website through email or on social media.